and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Liana, and I'm back again to share with you another DIY styling video. In today's special episode, I'll be sharing with you how to upcycle headscarves as well as how to style them in different ways. Now, I feel like it's an on and off trend that comes and goes in fashion, but this time round, I am going to show you just how versatile and awesome this piece of accessory really is. I'm not one to normally wear headscarves at all, ever. But I want to give it a go and try change things up and zhuzh up my wardrobe and styling a little bit more than usual. So what better way to do it than share it with you guys. Now, I actually got given a whole bunch of headscarves from my mom a couple years ago, and I kept it in my wardrobe and I never really did anything with it. I thought I would wear it out and wait till the summer comes, wear it to the beach, that kind of stuff. But I never really wore it for like casual, everyday kind of wear. And so I'm going to give it a go in today's episode and see how I go. And who knows, I might fall in love with it. And if not, then at least I tried. So let's just jump into it and I'll show you guys how to upcycle as well as how to style it. So let's jump right into it and I'll see you guys in a second. Start off the styling. As many of you may know, the traditional and usual way in which you'll style a headscarf is just simply folding it in half, getting the triangle, and then propping it on your head like so. Surprisingly, I really like this look. Actually did not think I was genuinely gonna like it at all. So I decided to style the headscarf with just a nice blazer as well as a plain t-shirt underneath and just high-waisted jeans and a cute bag. And then the other look is just pairing it with a plain black jumpsuit and nice heels. Second look for wearing the headscarf is just tying a little cute bow in your hair. And this is a super cute look if you have long, luscious locks because it blends in with the waves of your hair. And for this third look, what better way to have an emergency backup in case you forget your face mask? You can just use your headscarf as a replacement. Moving on to our fourth styling technique, we've got the wrap around tie up at the neck look, and it is super chic and super elegant and super nice. If you've got anything casual, you can dress it up by pairing it with the wrap around the neck. I've styled it with two nice blazers as well as high-waisted pants and short shorts and just a plain t-shirt underneath. Last but not least, the design technique of wrapping the scarf around the handbag. It adds a bit of color and interest to the bag, which I really like. Alrighty, so moving on to our first and easiest upcycle look, all you have to do is fold in half the headscarf until it forms into a triangle, and then voila, you just tie it up at the back and there you have a new rock style look. Moving on to our second upcycled top, yet another easy look. All you have to do is tie a little bow at the front, and what I've done at the back is just fold in the rectangle so that it looks nice and neat at the back. This look is super nice for summer occasions and heading to the beach. On to our third upcycle look, we're going to get some shoelaces. I'm just using my shoelaces that I have from my New Balance because I actually don't have any other laces. You're able to buy these super easily at any arts and craft and fabric store without a problem. I'm just using what I have at home, and these will become the straps of the top. Now what we're going to do next is fold in half the headscarf so that it forms into a triangle, and then we're going to sew the two shoelaces to the corner of the triangle. And there you have it, we have a new halter neck for a new top. Voila! Moving on to our next upcycling transformation, we're going to get some flat straps here, which will form into the straps of the new top. You can use spaghetti straps or lingerie straps, any kind of straps that will look nice. I'm just going to get two sides of the fabric like so, and pin it together to form a triangle shape and start hand sewing down the straps in which I had cut earlier before. And there you have a new halter neck top with a tie up at the back. It's a super cute top, elegant for like outings at night as well as special occasions. Moving on to our next upcycle, it's a nice and easy one. It's very similar to the previous upcycle. All we have to do is change the straps around, cross over it at the front, and then tie it up at the back like a halter neck. And for the last but not least, we have a crossover top here. All I've done is grab the two pointy ends of the headscarf folded in half, and I've used those pointy ends as the halter neck to tie up at the back of the neck. It's a nice outfit for casual occasions, going out at night, as well as summer occasions. That comes to the end of my styling and DIY. Here's a look at all the styling looks as well as all the upcycling looks. So that comes to the end of my DIY and styling video tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you feel inspired or liked watching it, make sure you give it a like, comment and subscribe down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.